Hi guys, welcome to TechPP. In this video, I am going to show you how to adjust the liquid glass effect on your iPhone. Apple introduced the liquid glass interface with iOS 26. While some people like the new transparent design, many users found it difficult to read because the interface sometimes blended with the background. In iOS 27, Apple now gives you more control over this design. You can adjust the liquid glass effect based on your preference and make the interface look either fully transparent or more frosted. To use this feature, your iPhone first needs to be updated to iOS 27. At the time of recording, iOS 27 is available as a developer beta. The stable version is expected to roll out to everyone in September. Once your iPhone is running iOS 27, follow these steps. First, open Settings on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Appearance. Now tap the option called Liquid Glass. You will see a slider that lets you control how transparent or frosted the liquid glass interface looks. Move the slider towards the lower end if you want a fully transparent look. With this setting, you can see more of the background through menus, buttons, and other interface elements. Move the slider all the way towards the other side if you want the interface to look fully frosted. With the frosted setting, the background becomes more blurred, which can make text, buttons, and other controls easier to see. You can see a live preview while moving the slider, so you can stop at any point and select the transparency level that looks best to you. That's it. This is how you can customize the liquid glass effect on your iPhone and choose between a transparent or frosted interface. Remember, this setting is only available on iPhones running iOS 27 or later. If you are using iOS 26 or an older version, you will not see this slider. I hope you found this guide helpful. For more simple iPhone tutorials like this, subscribe to our channel.